Today we're looking at another Xiaomi product. These ones are called the BRE01JY. Not sure why they're giving them these code names. They just need to give them like a cool name, like the Xiaomi Sparrows. That's it, that's the new name. So the Xiaomi Sparrows. These ones are supposed to be very comfortable. They're shaped similar to like the Apple EarPods, so they're like a half in-ear design. For those who don't like full in-ear design where it completely seals the ear. So these ones, you know, should definitely cover for that. They're saying that the moving coil and the ceramic dual drivers should produce sound clarity across a wide range of audio for a more precise listening experience. But yeah, let's just open these little bad boys up. Now these ones are only about like, they're like 18 bucks right now. All right. Very simple packaging. All right, so the 1.25 meter or 4-foot cable. They're saying that it's a very flexible cable. It should hold up to some good wear and tear from what they're saying. So you got the left and right labeled on the back. They're very slick. They're very basic looking. They're actually pretty reminiscent of the Apple EarPods. And then of course you've got the inline control with just 3 basic buttons. Probably gonna be volume, next and previous track, and then play and pause. Shake test. Well, it actually held up a little better than I thought. They're really super lightweight, so these ones, they definitely leave, you know, some space in the ear, so it's not a full seal or anything, just like the EarPods. We're gonna go with quality first because Rhett and Link is already up. What are they doing? Nothing wrong with this at all. Oh my God, that is ridiculous. So it sounds really good. Oh my God. Wow, that is really nice. That is a really good sound. Highs and mids are fantastic. All right, let's try some bass. Come on, give me bass. Now, these are definitely focused on the highs and mids. Very, very good highs and mids. Let's give Nathan a call. Haven't talked to him in a minute. Hello? Hey, can you hear me? Oh, okay, cool. How do I sound? I'm testing out some headphones. Oh. Well, wait a minute. This isn't a proper test. You can't be on your headphones if I'm on my headphones. Are you doing an unboxing video right now? I'm gonna hold these earbuds up to the microphone so the junkies can hear you. Just say something.
What's up, junkies?
Man, that's like super clear. But I sound pretty good? I sound pretty clear? All right, cool. All right, well, there you go. These are definitely focused on the high end of things. If you want something that's gonna give you very good volume, you've got the comfort because they're not full in-ear, they're only half in-ear, they're very lightweight, they're real easy to use. This is something that I would probably just have in my car because a lot of times I use my Apple EarPods in my car just because they're loud, they're clear, they don't seal off my ears so I can still hear my surroundings really well. So these are something that I would definitely use out and about. I mean, especially if you're focused more toward like, you know, talking on the phone and you do listen to music, but you're not too concerned with it being real bassy. You just want to be able to hear it really well. These are fantastic. Okay, so phone quality is really good. Highs and mids, I'm gonna give them like a 9. They're really, really, really good. For as loud and as high pitch as they really do get, they're oddly clear. There's no like crackle or breaking up or anything like that. They're very, very clear highs and mids. Bass, I'm gonna give like a 3. Maybe a 2. Not that it was bad bass, the bass that is there, it sounded good, but it was just extremely lacking. So don't expect a lot of bass out of these. If you want some Xiaomi wired headphones with all around really good sound, click on this video right here, or you know, check out my playlist. So check those out. There's some headphones in there that are really good that'll definitely get you that well equalized audio sound for a better music experience. But overall, for what these are, 20 bucks, they're not bad. These are definitely for like the minimalist, you know? If you're not real interested in getting something super fancy, you just want something good that works, these are great. They're great. Xiaomi's always great. I love Xiaomi. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. Definitely go check it out for yourself, but as for now, get out of here.